Are your MiKTeX, your TeX Live apps crashing due to the Pdftex Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Don't let Pdftex Library slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Pdftex Library, the core execution library for the Pdftex engine, which compiles TeX and LaTeX documents directly into PDF format. It handles layout processing, font embedding, hyperlink generation, and mathematical typesetting. If unavailable, LaTeX editors may fail to render previews or generate output, often reporting fatal engine errors during compilation. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of MiKTeX/TeX Live to repair the core installation and restore the necessary Pdftex Library DLL component. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Pdftex library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type LODCTR//R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Replacing Pdftex library without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. A recommended diagnostic path for Pdftex library management is outlined in the software resource linked below. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Pdftex library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.